Oh my god. Winter storm Cora has arrived just in time for my birthday. It is so deep. Oh my goodness. Good morning, and happy snow day. It's winter storm Cora today in Georgia, and so I don't have work today. I'm gonna try and get some stuff done. I'm gonna be doing some trainings so that I can get credit for work, and then probably film some content, probably get some writing done. So I will take you through vlog style while I watch some Harry Potter, do some trainings, and then we'll get back to it when I start my writing. The stinky boy decided to join me. Hi, stinky booty. Aw, thank you, Papa. Look, good boy. Did you enjoy the snow? So obviously after I filmed that last clip, I fell asleep because I had to take a Benadryl because I've been breaking out really bad. I think I have a reaction to some laundry detergent or something, but it's like all in my hairline, and it's like, so I had to take a Benadryl, and now I'm finally getting to the writing. And I have my assistant with me. He's being very, very, very helpful. First and foremost, I have my outline kind of started here, but I have the full outline on this part of the document. And thankfully, Google has this chapters feature that you can do in Google Docs. So I can show you how to do it if you want, but it's fairly easy. And then you can just like add a tab. And if you want it to be like a sub tab, just group it in with another sub tab. If you want it to be like part of this whole group, you can do that. And then to delete it, just delete. But yeah, I started on the first 10 chapters just so that I have a specific place to put them. And I'm gonna try to align them with this whole thing. So there's that. I already have this and this written, but today we're gonna try and do chapter 3. So I started to try to write, and I was just getting a little overwhelmed with everything. So I am going to just decompress, clean my room a little bit, and try to think of something I can do where finding the plot and finding the story isn't as overwhelming, and probably doing an exercise where I can write out all the scenes that I want to do and then pick out which ones I want to write today, but probably sticking to like smaller action steps because writing a book does not happen in a day. So I'm gonna clean my room, figure out what I want to do, and then just kind of go from there. is a new day. Today is Saturday, so I'm gonna try and get as much writing as I can done. I also have one of my authors. He is going to be sending me his manuscript to edit by tomorrow, so I'm gonna try and get as much writing as I can done before I receive his manuscript tomorrow. Last night I wrote for probably about 10 minutes, and I was just kind of describing one of my main characters' apartments in detail, and it just kind of helped me calm down to feel like I was getting to a place where I could think about things. So definitely the exercise where I took little memo pads and wrote out all the scenes that I wanted to do, that definitely helped, because sometimes I can be very scattered-brained, especially if I'm really excited about a project. So today I'm going to work on one of the other pieces that I pulled last night, and I think if I can get that second one done, or even just like 20 minutes of writing done, I will do the third piece of paper that I pulled, so that I can prep for tomorrow, where I'm going to be filming more content and then getting the manuscript, hopefully from my author, so that I can help him with his work that's going to be published at the end of the month. So exciting things are happening today. I feel focused. I had coffee. I should take my medicine, but I don't think I need it today. So yeah, we're going to be writing just a little bit, watching Married at First Sight. I think this is Boston. Yeah, this is Boston. So we're going to be watching that, chilling. And unfortunately, all the snow is melting today. So yeah, it's going to be a chill day. So I will be doing my bullet journal stuff, so I'm going to be downloading my photos and everything. And yeah, my goal is to kind of take you guys along on my computer, but I don't really know how that's going to work out. So we will see what happens. And yes, this is my desk. This is real. I'm not an influencer. Everything isn't pretty. This is my desk. This is where I work. This is where I edit. It is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna be listening to my Bailey Sarian, and I will try to screen record. I've never done it before though, so I don't even know if it's gonna work. I don't know what vibe I'm gonna go for with my bullet journal though, because I think, so my bullet journal already has like a Harry Potter theme, but I'm considering doing like a dark, wintry, dark romance vibe. Like that's what I've got going on my computer anyway. So I am unsure. I am unsure. We will see what the vibes give and what pictures I can get onto the page, but it's only going to be this spread. So I don't really know that it matters too much. And yeah, so I'm going to be figuring that out. But yeah. But yeah, wish me luck. So I just filmed my bullet journal video. I don't know that I really like it, but it is what it is. It's filmed. While we still have daylight, I'm going to film my next video, and then after that, I'm gonna lay down. I might take a nap. I'm gonna definitely take off this makeup. I'm gonna lay down and just chill out before I cook dinner. So there was no writing done today. None at all. I didn't expect there to be, but maybe we'll see how I feel tonight after I finish dinner. But there was no writing done today. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Alright, so today really took it out of me. I filmed 2 videos and did this vlog. Cats are fighting. I did some cleaning. It's just a lot going on today. I'm so tired. Tomorrow I have to work, but I will probably see you after work when I start doing some of either my editing or some of my writing projects. I'm not sure what I'm going to do tomorrow, but I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.